Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're having a good time. My name is Barry. Thank you for watching another video in Zabanika YouTube channel. سلام دوستان، اسم من پریساست. مرسی از اینکه یکی دیگه از ویدیوهای ما رو توی کانال یوتیوبی زبانیکا تماشا میکنید. So today we're gonna talk about simple present. Okay? امروز میخوایم با هم دیگه فعل حال ساده رو یاد بگیریم. So I'm sure that you all have heard of it and you all try to use it because it's the most common verb in English language. We use it a lot, so it's very important to know when to use it, how to use it, and how to use it correctly in a correct way. Don't worry, we're gonna learn it all today. پس خیلی فعل مهمیه واسه ما به خاطر اینکه خیلی استفاده میشه. پس مهمه که یاد بگیریم چجوری استفادهش بکنیم و کی استفادهش بکنیم. Okay? Okay, great. Let's start with when to use it. We use simple present when we want to talk about our habits. وقتی میخوایم راجع به عادتهای روزمره‌مون صحبت بکنیم. Okay? So, I drink tea at breakfast. This is my habit. Means that I do it all the time. It's my habit. She only eats fish. She doesn't eat any kind of meat but fish. It's her habit. She does it all the time. She only eats fish. Well, we're gonna talk about the structure later on, okay? We're just learning about when to use it. We also use present simple when we want to talk about our repeated actions. What are repeated actions? Those are the things we do over and over again. کارهایی که مرتب انجام میدیم. For example, we catch the bus every morning. هر روز صبح ما سوار اتوبوس میشیم. We catch the bus every morning. It rains every October. Repeated action. Okay, great. Now I want you to tell me about your habits and your repeated actions. Tell me about them in the comments. Okay, great. We also use simple present to talk about general truth. حقیقت ها، فکت ها، چیزایی که تغییرشون نمیشه داد. همیشه یکسان هستن. They are always the same way. Water freezes at 0 degree. آب توی 0 درجه یخ میزنه. That never changes. Her mother is Iranian, so the nationality is something that you can never change. Her mother is Iranian. That's a fact. Okay, we also use this tense to talk about instructions, to give someone some instructions. For example, let's say that you get a new TV. You look at the manual to look for some instructions, how to use it. Okay, please, get the remote, press the red button, and turn it on. Open the packet, take it out, put it in the hot water, let it boil. How can I get to Tadrish? Take number 9 bus. Go right, and then go left, and then ask someone else. Okay? When you want to tell someone what to do. Perfect. So, we also use simple present to talk about our fixed arrangements. We have a meeting, for example, with somebody on an exact day. We know when it's gonna be, so we use simple present. His mother arrives tomorrow. Our holiday starts on 26th of March. We have the exact date. When we have future tense and we have 2 sentences, she will see you before she leaves. I'm talking about future, but also I'm using before. We will give it to her when she arrives. So, with future constructions, she will see you before she leaves. We will give it to her when she arrives. I will see you when you're here. I will meet you after I take my test. Can you make an example? Leave it for me in the comments. So we are down to the structure. Now, I think if I want to make a question out of it, I must use do. Okay, so do I think? I don't think. If I want to make it negative, I use don't. So I use do to make a question, and I use don't to make it negative. He thinks. If I'm talking about third person singular, I add s to the end of the verb. He thinks. If I want to make a question, does he think? Because of does, I don't use s anymore. So, does he think? He doesn't think, or she doesn't think. If you want to make it negative, you use doesn't. Okay? خب پس چی شد؟ ما برای اینکه بخوایم سوالی بکنیم سیمپل پرزنت رو همیشه از دو استفاده میکنیم و اگه بخوایم نگاتیوش بکنیم از don't استفاده میکنیم. Do you work out? Yes, I do. No, I don't. In the short answer, you can use do too. So, yes, I do. No, I don't. Does he practice? No, he doesn't. Yes, he does. No, it doesn't. Yes, it does. Does it rhyme? Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. Third person singular, he, she, it. For the rest of it, we use do. And we have no s's. Okay, we have a couple of more rules. I have to clean the board, but okay, همونجوری که گفتم باید به سوم شخص مفرد s اضافه کنیم. Okay, we have to add s. So there are a couple of rules. These are normal verbs: travels, plays, gives. These are normals. But after some sounds like sh, ch, k, double s, o, we have to add es. Okay, because it is easier to pronounce them. Listen to this. Washes. Does it sound natural? No. So we say washes. Mixes. And goes. Okay, great. So, as you know, the y at the end becomes I. So studies and flies. Okay, these are a couple of exceptions. Remember some tips. Okay, if we are using always, usually, sometimes, and the words like this, never, things like that, we always have to use simple present because we are talking about a habit or repeated action. Here, if we do have when, after when, before, after, we always use simple present. So, I will wash the dishes when you get home. She will see you when she gets here. Okay? I will go out when it stops raining. So, remember them. These are the rules of simple past. Just you need to practice it and practice it in order to get it right. It's easy, I'm telling you. Okay, now I want examples in the comments. I will correct you if you're wrong. Thank you for watching another video on Zabanika YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.